Hi, bro learners. How are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel, Bro Learner. Today, I'm going to start a brand new tutorial on JavaScript. Let's start. First of all, a JavaScript is a programming language for the web, or you can say you can develop a website with the help of JavaScript. Okay, and with the help of JavaScript we can update and change the HTML and CSS. Okay, and then we can manipulate, validate, and calculate data also with the help of JavaScript. Then this is the formal definition of JavaScript. It is a lightweight, object-oriented programming language used to design a website. Okay, it is a interpreted language. There is a two kind of programming language. Okay, first is compiled compile type language, and second is interpreted. JavaScript is interpreted language. JavaScript is a full-fledged programming language. We can interact with the help of JavaScript in our website. Okay, it is introduced in 1995 by the Netscape Navigator browser. These are the features of JavaScript. JavaScript follows the syntax of C, and it is lightweight and interpreted language. It is a case sensitive language. It means small case and capital case make a difference in defining the structure, for example, classes, variable, so on. Okay. And JavaScript is supportable in several operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and it provides good control to our building our website. Okay. Then after that, if you learn JavaScript, you can switch to web development, desktop app development, mobile development. These are the libraries that you have to learn to become a web developer. For desktop, there is Electron.js, and for mobile, same but with the help. There is another one is React Native. Okay. Then after that, the requirement to learn JavaScript is the knowledge of basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. And if you are having any code like VS Code, Sublime, Atom, Notepad, or Notepad plus plus, or any kind of text editor, you can do the JavaScript programming. Okay. Then the web browser for JavaScript are Chrome browser, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. First of all, let's see how we can connect JavaScript to our HTML. First of all, I have this type of a structure, the basic template you can say. Here I include a script tag, and in between this tag I code my JavaScript. Okay. First we see the document.write, which is used to display the output in HTML document. Document dot write, and Mm, within parentheses, we provide code and provide the text. Hello, hello developers. Okay, let's see the output. We use live server for this. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, perfect. You can see hello developers. Okay, we can do the same thing in our body tag also. We provide here script, and within this we provide document dot write, and after that provide the parenthesis, and parenthesis provide the double quote, and here we provide by and by. Okay, let's save this. You can see bye is printed. Okay, but if we provide here an h1 tag, hello, hello bro learners. Let's save this. You can see if we provide the HTML tag, it separate. If we provide before this, it is still the same as of previous, you can see. But if we provide before after our h1 and any kind of tag that is used in Java HTML, it affect the structure of the document printed.
Okay, and the third way we can do to, first we create a file name like xyz dot js. You can give any name, and after that just uh, provide the link. I just removed all of those, cut it here, and remove. Okay, you can provide the link script with src. Okay, xyz dot js. Okay, it's now connected. If you are provide using different folder, then you have to provide the specific path, but I have within the same folder, that's why I provide just name and extension. Okay, we can provide this also. Let's see, let's save. Okay, just paste here and save. Just formatting this document. Okay, perfect. You can see the output is not visible. Why? Because we provided this here. If you provided this is here, so it's not visible. Why it is okay? Oh, there is a problem. We cannot provide script after including this. Okay, let's save this. You can see it is working here also. Sorry for this. Let's save this. You can see we can provide script tag with src in heading and in body tag also. First we create document.write, okay, and provide the parenthesis and double quote. In double quote we provide the text. For example, hi, this is a simple text. Okay, and then let's copy this line here and save this and run in live server. Let's run in live server. Okay, you can see there is no space after text and again hi. We can provide with the help of br tag. Okay, we can provide br tag here, br, and let's save this and see the output. You can see it is in next line. We can bold also and italicize with the help of b tag, b, and it is a closing tag. That's why we close this tag b. Let's save this. You can see this is now in bold. We can do all italicize and emphasize. Okay, you can use in document.write. First of all, I have this type of structure, and this is the output of my code. Okay, and after that, if I want you or any user to understand this type of what is document.write and hi, this is a simple text, we can define comment. It is not run with our code, but it provides the information about what we are doing, what the piece of code and function, class, anything you use in your code is defined by comment to know other people what you are doing or what you are did in this piece of code. For example, if you are working in a project where two-person are working and some part you done and other person is doing other part, but before knowing the what you did, he cannot do another work or the further work. So that in that case you have to provide comment. In any language we can provide two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment. For example, in JavaScript, we use double backslash to provide single line comment. Hi, this is used to print, or you can say display in HTML page. ठीक है? Okay, we can comment. Sometimes we want to comment some particular code to know the what is error and why it's not working.
we can use, or sometimes we want this command, this not run at the moment. For example, if you are doing something and you don't want to, this line should not be print, but after some time you need it, so you can provide control plus backslash after clicking here. It is commented, and now save this. You can say this is, you can see this is disappeared. If I want to come back or want back again, I just do the same, control plus backslash and save. You can see this is the magic. And after that, let's talk about multi-line comment. We can provide multi-line comment with the help of backslash, double star and backslash. Okay, after starting and ending of this star, we can provide multi-line comment. For example, I use dummy tag lorem and just cutting this out and pasting here. Let's save this. You can see this, these lines are not affecting our code, but it provides information related to this. Okay, if I want to move this before this comment, it does not affect our code. Let's see. Okay, we can do the same in between, cut it and just paste it here. You can see we can provide comment here also after ending of this and provide the backslash. Hi developer. Okay, let's save this. It not affecting our. First of all, introduction of variable. In any programming language, variable is a memory location in which we store values. For example, it can be a number, a letter, a word, a sentence. It means we can store any value or any number, word, letter, sentences in a memory location with the help of variable. We can define variable in JavaScript with three keyword. First is var, second is let, and third is const. All of are in lowercase. Small var, small let, and then small const. Const. Now, see, this is the example of variable. Here, this is our variable name, or you can say we declare a variable with var by the name myvar, and then we provide myvar value as pro learner, which is a word. Okay, variable value is called variable initialization. First declare, then define the value of the variable. Okay, now let's jump into the coding part. Okay, now let's see why we need a variable. For example, I have document.write. Okay, and here I provide my name Ijaz. Okay, okay, I just copy this and paste it multiple times. Okay, and now let's run and see the output. It takes some time. Okay, here we go. We have multiples, or let's undo this. Okay, let's just undo and then provide br. Okay, now let's paste it multiple times and save. You can see I have Ijaz lot of time. But what if I want to change this Ijaz with M O H MOHD Ijaz? Is it a good practice to change all of the name by one? I guess no. So in that case we use a variable where my name, here I just declare and then provide the value in code. In for word or letter or sentences, we provide double quote or single quote. I provide MO, just capital MOHD and EJAZ, jazz, and then semicolon. Now
I just remove this. Okay, and then just document dot write and provide my name. Here, remember, you don't need to provide variable name in code. Okay, if you provide, first let's see the um, output. Say, okay, you can see, but what if we provide code here? Let's see. You see, this is treated as a output thing. It treat like it should be printed, not as a variable. That's why we don't need to provide codes in our variable. Now you can see. Let's save. Okay, and after that, if I want to change my name, just Muhammad, and save, you can see I can provide any name, for example Amit, and save, you can say, and then Kumar. You can see it will change if I provide space and save. It provide the space also. Okay, this is how you can define or declare a variable. Now let's see how we can first initial declare our variable name and then provide the value. Okay, first I have var a comma b comma c and full semicolon. Okay, now let's a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b. And now let's print the value of c. Document dot write and print the c. Let's save. You can see my value is printed as 30. We can do if I don't want to initialize the value of c and then print the value of c. Let's see what will happen. You can see if you are not providing, declare the variable and don't initialize any value. It is by default undefined. Okay, it is nothing but it's tell you that you didn't initialize the value of c. If you do, it will remove. For example, if you change this 45 and say it is changed by 55. Okay, okay, we can provide any value. We can provide decimal value. Let's say you can see we can provide any value, or if you want to change the value of c after initialization, you don't need to rewrite the var again and again. You can use directly. If you first declare the value, you don't need to re-declare the value again and again, var by var a and again var a. You don't need to do that. Okay, now let's change the value of c. Now it is 55.45. Okay, now if I change c equals to hello world and then say, you can see it is changed. If I just copy this and paste it before this and just save this, you can see it is first value is 45 55.45, and then it is changed with hello world. You can change multiple times whenever you require. You can change the value of c. Okay, or any variable you used. Now create let and name our variable name a and declare as 10, and after that we print it with the help of document.write and then print the value of a and see the output. You can see we can create a variable and assign initialize the value 10. Okay, and after that we can change also a equals to 20, let's say. Okay, now save this. You can see it is now 20. If we want to change a with a decimal value, we can do 23.68. or 9. Okay, now save this. You can see it is. If we want to change with string, we can do, let's say, hello. Sorry, hello, and save this. You can see it is work like variable var, but here's the difference. If I first define all of my variable var a equals to 10 and var a equals to 20, and then var sorry, var a equals to hello, hello, and save. You can see hello is printed because it is the last updated value of a, but you can see we can declare var, redeclare any variable name a var again and again, it not throw an error here, or we can also console it with the help of inspection. You can see here is no error, you can clearly see. What if and change this var with let and save? You can see we have an error. A is already been declared. It means we cannot redeclare again and again if we using let keyword. You can see when we change var keyword with let, here is an error which shows that we cannot redeclare a variable. And here also we have uncount syntax error. Undefined identifier a has already been declared. It means we cannot redeclare a same variable name. Okay, if we change a with b and then c, you can see error is gone. We cannot redeclare a same name variable with the keyword let, but we can redeclare a variable with var keyword. This is the main difference between let and var keyword. Okay, we can use the all other thing that we use in var is same. For example, you can here first declare a variable a comma b comma c and comma d, and after that you can initialize a equals to 90, b equals to 40, c equals to 80, and then d equals to a plus b plus c, and after that you can print the value of d. Okay, now save this. You can see the value is 210. Okay, this is how our let and var keyword work. First of all, I have to declare a variable with the keyword const, 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 and after that by variable name my name. Okay, I use camel case here, and here I declare my name md jars. Okay, and after that I have to print with the help of document.write, and I print my name. Okay, then save. You can see this is our result printed here. What if I want to change the value of my name, or if we want to reinitialize the value of my name equals to, let's say I just want it as, you can see my name is gone. Now let's check why it happened. Let's just double click and inspect here, and we have to check console. You can see uncount type error, assignment to constant variable at line number 14. You can see this is line number 14, and we are trying to reinitialize a constant variable. Constant mean we cannot change the value of the variable that we created. For example, if I want a number that would be fixed in my entire program, then I use const as a variable and initialize the value. For example, num equals to 1200 cannot change during this entire code. That's why we initialize with the keyword const. This is the main difference between let, var, and const. In where we can redeclare, reinitialize our variable. You know, where a equals to 20, sorry, 20, and a where a e- equals to hello. Okay, and in let we can reinitialize the value. For example, I have b equals to 100. I can change the value of b equals to 40. Then b equals to high. Okay. Now, if we want to check this also. Let's save first of all. Error is gone. Now, cutting this out, and after that we have to print all of this. Let's first print document.write a, document.write a, and after that we print document.write dot write b. Now saving this, you can see hello is printed because this is the last updated value of a, which is declared with the help of var keyword. And then high is printed because we reinitialize the value three times. First initialize, then reinitialize, then reinitialize, and this is the last updated value. That's why high is printed here. And after that we have my name, which is Ijaz, which we already declared here. You can see in, okay, you can see this is my name, which we initialize. We cannot reinitialize the value. If we try to do that, it is an error and our output is gone. First of all, we have this type of data type in our JavaScript language. The first one is string. It is nothing but, for example, if we declare let a equals to, in single or double quote, for example double quote, hi, and close the, this is called string. This is called our string data type because we define in quote anything which we define in quote. It is number or anything, it is nothing but it is a string. But if we define a equals to 40 or 43.21, anything, it is a number. And if we define a equals to true, it is a boolean. If we define a equals to false, it is again a boolean data type. And if we just declare let b and we didn't define any value, by default it is undefined data type. Okay, and after that if we declare an array a equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and close, it is an object type data. Okay, and data type of array is an object. And if we initialize an object, for example a equals to, in curly bracket, 2 4 5, and this is again an object data type because it is an object, and the data type of object is object, and the data type of array is also an object. Okay, we define anything in In code, it is by default string. If we define a number, it is a number data type. If we define true and false without any code, it is boolean type. If we declare the variable and not giving any value, it is undefined. And if we define an object, the data type of object is object, and the data type of array is also an object. Now let's jump into coding part. Now we see how we can check any variable data type. For example, if I have var a equals to string, or let's say anything, hi, okay, and then we have to print this. We have to print this with the help of document.write a, and then we have to just copy and paste, provide a break for next line br tag, and after that we have again copy this and just use type of, which is used to check the type of any variable. Okay, now let's save. You can see hi is a string data type. If we change a with a number, for example, if I use 20 and save this, you can see if I give point value, again it is a number. You can see if we provide a equals to true and save this, you can see it is boolean type, and if we provide false, again it is a boolean type. You can see, and after that if we declare a variable let equals to b, and after that we just check the value and type of b. Let's see. You can see both are undefined because we don't know the value of b, that's why it is undefined, and the type of b is also undefined. And after that if we declare an array a equals to 12 comma 20 comma 30, and let's save this. You can see this is the value and this is an object data type. And after that if we provide a equals to curly bracket and just provide to name colon and name Ijaz and comma age colon 23. Now let's save this. You can see we cannot directly print the value of an object, or if we try to do that it is print object and then the data type is object which we printed here. Okay, so this is how you can check any variable data type. First we have addition as a binary operator, then we have for addition we have plus operator, then we have hyphen for subtraction, star for multiplication, for division we have backslash, and for exponential or power 2 की power 3 and so on we have double star. Then we have for reminder we call modulus in JavaScript or in any programming language, we have percentage operator, then we have plus plus for increment operator, and minus minus for decrement operator. Now let's see how we can perform these operator in JavaScript. Okay, first I declare a variable var a comma b comma c. Okay, then we perform a equals to declare a equals to 450, b equals to 200, and c equals to a plus b. Now let's see with the help of document.write and print C. Now let's save this. You can see this is added. 400 plus 200 is 600 and this is 50. Okay. And now if we use hyphen symbol minus, let's save this. You can see this is minus. Now if we multiply, you can see if we use star then it is multiplied. You can clearly see. If we want to divide, we use backslash operator. Okay, let's save this. You can see if we change this value as 110 and let's save, you can see. Okay, and after that, if we just decrease these values 4 and then 5, and if we use double star, then 4 की power 5. You can calculate 4 into 4 into, let's reduce to 2 and let's save. You can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times is 32. You can check 2 into 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. Okay, if you want to check for small number, if you just go for a square, you can see 4. If we change this number to 5 and let's save, you can clearly see. And after that we have modulus operator. Let's if we use percent operator here and let's save, you can see this is 1 by, because if we divide 5 by 2 we get a remainder 1, that's why it is 1. If we change this with 7, now the remainder is 5. You can see this is how modulus work. And after that we have increment operator. You know the value of a is 5. If we use a plus plus 2 times and change here a, let's save. You can see this is 5, now it's 6. If we print this 2 times, for example, first here and then here, if we want to again just use break to differentiate between the line, br tag. Now let's say you can see this is increment or similarly we can use decrement operator minus minus. Let's save this. You can see this first is 5, then it is reduced by 1 and it is now 4. First of all, what is the meaning of assignment? Assignment means providing value to variable. For example, if I declare a variable var and then having variable name a, and after that I use equal operator which is called assignment operator and then provide the value. For example, I provide 100 and this means 100 is assigned to a variable a. Okay, and after that we have these types of assignment operator. First is equal, then plus and equal. I'll tell you all of this meaning how we can use these operators. These operator we already see arithmetic operation and we do the calculation with the help of these operator. But we can use assignment operator too with these operators. Okay, now let's see how we can do that. For example, if I have a variable var b, which is nothing but it is having value 30 and semicolon. Let's if we want to assign a value a equals to a plus, which is 100 plus b. Now let's save this and print with the help of document.write. Document.write. And let's print the value of a. Let's save this. You can see this is 30. But we have another way to do the same thing. If I want to use a, then plus equals to b. and semicolon. Let's see. There is nothing changed. Why? Because this is 130. It means we can short this expression a equals to a plus b as plus equals to b. We can do the same for minus. If we provide minus, here it is minus. You can see. If we provide multiply, then it is multiply 3000. Okay, and after that we can provide divide. For example, if I have 12 and then provide here backslash, you can see. And similarly we can just use modulus a and modulus here. Let's save this. You can see, because dividing 1200 by 30 we get 0 as a remainder. If we change 1 here and let's save, you can see now the remainder is 1. And after that we use mm, double star to square the number. Okay, let's do that. Let's save this. This is 12 की power 30, nothing but 2.37 into 10 to the power 92. If we reduce, for example, if I use only 10 and here 30, let's say, you can see 1 into 10 to the power 30. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend. Bye.